gonna be so hot. Look, golden. Steaming.
1 cup of warm water.
10 grams of yeast. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it. Leave it alone for 10 minutes. 3.5 cups of flour. Close enough. A pinch of salt, not a punch. Sweet sugar. Mix it. One egg yolk. 1 egg. No shells. Whip. A 1/4 cup of butter.
Did you notice right there, I pre-scored that butter right on the 1/4 cup line. That detail's right on the packaging. It saves a little bit of time and it's easier to package right back up and put in the fridge.
See? A 1/4 cup.
Please also take a moment, go ahead, smash that subscribe button so you can see more great easy recipes from my channel. Hit that like button as well. Even throw a comment down there if you've tried this recipe or if you're going to try this easy recipe for the brioche buns. They are fantastic, and that's also going to help the channel grow so you can see more great easy recipes and we can keep on cooking. Okay, the butter's all cubed, so we're gonna get baking here. We're gonna start out with our dry ingredients and then add in our eggs.
Add your eggs in. That's what it should look like. Add this in slowly. Watch, please. Kick it up 1. Start adding your butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Sugar. Made it. Do this for 10 minutes. Grease the bowl. Cover it. 1 hour in the cold oven. Punch up.
Okay, so we finished up with all the fun. Do yourself a favor here and flour your hands as well as the board. You can even add a little bit of olive oil to your hands. That way that dough will not stick. So here is the moment of truth. You get to decide the size of those brioche buns. You can actually put them in a cast iron pan and make a nice garlic loaf. You can have nice burger buns or nice dinner rolls. Size is entirely up to you here, how you're going to go ahead and portion those out. I find this recipe can comfortably make between 10 to 12 good-sized brioche buns.
It'll be a little one. Alexa, cancel the timer.
Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and form these into nice round balls. You may have noticed there I just pinch up the ends towards the center and then give them a nice roll and remove any sort of cracks. And that way they are nice and sealed up and ready to go. We are going to have these rise again another hour. And that way they'll double in size from where you see them right here before we go ahead onto the baking process.
One way or another, I'm gonna get you.
One final touch up here before I add them onto the tray. Now, I was looking for my bigger tray. I could not find it. Ideally, I would have placed these on 2 separate trays and saved myself the hassle and the work later on, but not to worry. We'll cover them up with a warm towel. The size here, once they come out of the oven, should be about double. And again, if I had them on 2 trays, it would have been easier. So I will go ahead and split them up right now, and then we'll go ahead and add our egg wash.
Stay. Don't collapse. Please do not collapse.
This coating of egg wash, and the sesame seeds are going to be optional. You certainly don't need to put them on there, but it gives them a nice little touch, I find anyways. So I find that my oven does not cook things evenly when I'm baking. So either halfway through, I need to rotate top rack, bottom rack, or I'm going to need to put in one rack for a few extra minutes at the end. Either way, I'm fine with doing. I find the cooking time and temp in my oven, in this oven, is approximately 400 degrees for about 18 minutes. Be sure, though, to be careful with your own oven.
Top level, bottom level. Put those in for a minute. Oh, there's gonna be so ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hotter.
Oh, yeah.
Boom!
Those brioche buttons are tasty and hot. Remember to hit that subscribe and like button. Boom!